hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.
Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful and elegant ear chains. So without wasting the time, let's get started with the video. To make these ear chains, you need a bundle of a pearl chain. You can easily get them in the market for 100 or 150 rupees. Cut out the pearl chain in the length of 15 pearls. Make sure that you leave a loop at both the ends while cutting the pearl chain, so that we can attach all the pearl chains together. Similarly, cut the other pearl chain in 19 pearls length and the last one in 23 pearl length. Now to make the hanging, you need small sized jhumka top, 2 beads and a pin. Insert the beads into the pin and make it short using the cutter. Using the plier, semi-bend the pin and take your pearl chain and leaving 3 pearls distance, insert the hanging into it and close it up using the plier. After you're done, attach the next one in 3 pearl distance again. Repeat this process until you reach the end. This is how it looks. This does take a little time, but it looks so grand and beautiful when you wear them. You need to do this similarly to the rest of the chains as well. This is how we are going to arrange them. Now to join them together, you need a pin and a hook. Open up the pin and insert the hook and start inserting the pearl chains into it. After you're done, close it up using the plier. Similarly, using the other pin, insert the other end of the pearl chains into it. And if you do love these ear chains, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to never miss any of my updates. And that's it, you're done. Your ear chains are ready to wear. They look so adorable and beautiful. And if you love heavy jewelry, you definitely need to try this up. They're perfect for weddings and they look so attractive in traditional attire. And if you like these earrings, they are also DIY earrings. I'm going to link the video in the description box. So do check out the video if you like the earrings as well. Thank you guys for watching my video and meet you in my next video. Until then, happy crafting!